Back to mid-morning, the doctors of Greer Maggard Orthodontics have been serving families in central Kentucky for nearly 30 years. They've recently implemented new technology that could change the way people think about braces.
Here to tell us more about the product is Dr. Lowdenback. Thank you so much for being here today with us.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, tell us about this new technology.
Yeah, it's great. So the new technology is actually customized braces. The metal braces that we all think about braces, that's sort of one size fits all. Been that way since the 80s. Works great. You know, we still have patients that have that. But all of our patients moving forward, we can now take a 3D scan, send that to a company, and I can actually predict how your smile is going to look before we get the brackets. And then the brackets are made just for you and just for your teeth. And so that really helps as far as predictability and efficiency, making treatment actually go a little bit faster for people.
That's one thing I was going to ask you about. How does that normally affect the timeline whenever you have a different style like that?
Yeah, so it actually there is some research. This has been around for about 5 years, and it's the sort of the future of orthodontics. We just decided to jump in here, and but it's showing that it actually can reduce your treatment time by almost a third.
How have the patients received it?
Great. The brackets are clear, so kids are excited about that, and so you don't have that metal look anymore. And the reason they're clear and the thing that the kids really enjoy is because they're 3D printed.
Ooh.
And so when you say 3D printing, it's amazing. My generation's not a 3D printing, that doesn't do a lot for us, but this younger generation, they all love 3D printing, and so that really gets them excited.
And how are they put in place compared to a normal set of
So yes, so actually, they have to be precisely placed because they are custom made, and so they actually come in a tray that fit exactly on the tooth to make the tooth move the most efficient, and that's what helps speed up treatment actually. So it's an easier process for the patient. So rather than us having to place the brackets individually, they're actually placed through a tray and put exactly where they need to be on the tooth.
Now, can this be for all ages? How does this work?
It is for all ages. So all of our teenagers, all the way through all of our adults. We have a lot of adults that are in this treatment as well. And so we have been actually placing these brackets since October. And so a lot of positive feedback, seen a lot of really neat results as patients are actually coming into the office for their first adjustment after having them on there. We're starting to see how teeth are moving faster. And so that's really exciting for the patients, knowing that their treatments won't have to last as long.
And once somebody kind of finishes the main part of the treatments, what kind of maintenance is there after that?
So after that, we move on to clear retainers. And as clear retainers, we ask that our patients wear them full time for 3 months. And then after that, they just have to wear them at night. But that maintains their smile as long as I can get them to wear the retainers.
If somebody's, yeah, true. If somebody's interested in learning more about this product, where can they go?
Yeah, sure. Our website, WGMortho.com. We have some links there that'll actually show them that technology. We've also got a little added bonus there too. We're actually using some dental monitoring, so we can actually sort of follow your treatment from afar to save patients and parents some time off work and school, so they don't have to be at the office as frequently, but we still get to see them. And so that is actually called Grin, but that goes with our new brackets, and so you can see all that information on our website.
Nice.
All right. Thanks for coming in and talking to us today.
Thanks for having me.